Go on then. Check, check! It's off! Wait to sound like drinking foul! Now way too late! You can put the world on me. With no regard, I'll take your heart and throw it to the grave. Time can't change the world, can't change the mood you're in. Cause there's something evil guiding you. So let it go! Alright, thank you. Yes. All right, we'll see y'all in a bit. Thank you.
Good evening, you beautiful people out there. How are you feeling right now? You feeling good? Better. Well, the night is about to start, and we have a lot of things to do together. Are you with us? That's how about it. So many people are here, all around from nook and corner, from Manipur, other states, and especially can we shout out for a crowd? Right, that was a short sound check for Monuments. They'll be headlining tonight. And as a program schedule and list, we have the announcement of the Shirock 2022 winner, first runner-up, second runner-up, and 6 individual prizes. Are you excited for that? Who do you think will win Shirock 2022? Louder! Who do you think will win Shirock 2022? Don't tell me. The bands who wasn't participating at all. All right. You guys pumped up? Let's get warm up, right? Mayam nungay ba natro? All right, let's calm down. The show will start in a while, and the prize distribution will also start in a while. Later, we have the performance by Monuments and also a special performance by the winner of Shirock 2022.
be.
When you're high, you never ever wanna go down. So down, so down, so down. You know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby. You're gonna die. Jungle, welcome to the jungle. Want to bring it to you? Knees in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Feel my serpentine in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Want to bring it to you? Knees in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Want to bring it to you? It's gonna bring you down.
Oh, you need one.
So no, these things, no playing, no reading out that clip. I mean that playing the video clip anymore. No.
Later.
Later, no.
Before the announcement.
Our Pride is a song that goes back years in its time. Hello, crew! How is everybody? All right, before we start, we are going to look at one of the video clip, which I'm going to read out a synopsis to all of you. The name of the song is Our Pride. Is a song that goes back 4 years in its time. The song was written, dedicated to Shirui Lily, talking about its beauty and uniqueness. It's not only emotionally carried weight over the Shirui Lily, but also the band's utmost love for Ukrul throughout the years. This song has been remade with the magic of Guru Ruben, Ashuri, and James Riame added into it. We hope you all enjoy listening to it and wishing everyone a very happy Shirui festival.
是一个手，一位心是一个手，马尼拉，格德拉米西杜，卡万马巴尼。Iwi Shirock termasih Natumirami Maharaja
The video clip that we just played is performed by artists who were the winner of the Shirock 17, 19, 2017, 18, and 19. And the song is named Our Pride. It's a song that goes back 4 years in its time. The song was written, dedicated to Shirui Lily, talking about its beauty and uniqueness. It not only emotionally carried weight over Shirui Lily, but also the band's utmost love for Ukrul throughout the years. This song now has been remade with the magic of Guru, Ruben, Ashuri, and James Riamai added into it. I hope you all enjoy listening to it, and they are wishing everyone a very happy Shirui festival.
Hello, crew! Are you ready to rock and roll again? Are you excited? Yes, I can see thousands of people lined up today. Thank you all for coming out. And today we have a very, very important band. They're getting ready. They'll be here with us in a few minutes' time. Are you excited for the band? Who is going to perform us tonight? Do you have any guesses? Who's going to perform tonight? I can't hear you. Louder, please. I still can't hear you. Which band is going to perform tonight? Right. They'll be here in a few minutes. And just before they perform, you know that today we're going to announce the result for the band competition as well. Right? The band competition 2022, Shirock 2022 results will be declared in a few moments' time. The winner will be awarded with a cash prize of 10 lakh rupees. Right? First runners-up will be awarded with 5 lakh rupees. And the third position, the second runners-up will be awarded with 2 lakhs 50,000 rupees. 6 individuals, 6 outstanding individuals will be awarded with 25,000 each. So do you have any guesses which band will be the winner of Shirock 2022 band competition? Any guesses? Sorry? Which band do you think is going to be the winner of Shirock 2022 band competition? Right. They all have chances. All the bands which you just mentioned, they all have high chances to be the winner. Right? So it will be announced to you in a few moments' time. Are you enjoying Shirock 2022? Did you have fun? Right. Tonight is the final day. The final day of Shirock 2022. Let us all have fun. Right? Let's enjoy. Let's make it a very memorable night. Are you with me? Shall we make it a historic night? Right. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you, my co-host of the night, Miss... Does anyone know her name? All right. Miss Shanting Shaiza, my co-host of the night.
Hello,
Well, let's welcome her.
How is it going? You ready to rock tonight? Are you ready to rock tonight? Can I hear it louder? All right, so you all know the band that's performing tonight. Can we shout the name of the band once again? We're going to do this. This side on my left-hand side, this side right in front of me, and this side on my right-hand side. Let's see which side shouts the loudest. Do you want to do this? Okay, we're going to start from the right side, okay? Monuments. That's how we're going to do it. Monuments. Okay, let's start. On the right-hand side, people. We're
Here we
gonna
go.
do monuments. 2, 3, go!
Monuments, monuments.
Monuments. Come on, people on the left hand side, you gotta do better than that. People on the left. Amazing. Thank you so much for participating. We all are waiting for the bands to come out, and they will be here very shortly. In the meantime, let's keep up the energy going and wait for them. Thank you so much. We will be back very shortly. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as my co-host just said, the band will be here in a couple of minutes. In the meantime, let's not lose our energy. Do we have the energy for the whole night? Yes? All right. Urkel, make a louder noise. Come on. The monuments, before they take the stage, they want the energy of the audience high, at the highest level. Can we do that? Yeah? Can we audience be the best audience for this great band? Can we do that tonight? Yeah? Let's make this night an unforgettable night for every one of us. Can we do that? Are we here for that? Right. Let's keep up the energy. Let's keep the momentum going. We'll be here till the very late night, as late as we can be. All right? This time, I'm told that the concert gets over very early. Do you want to have fun longer than the previous nights? Do you want to go on? All right. Your wish will be granted tonight. We'll have fun. All right? See you in a couple of minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. Have fun.
Let's play the video clip once again.
All right, guys. Which is the band? Which is the band you're referring to? Monuments, right? Yes, they'll be here with you shortly. Just before we start, we the people from Northeast are known as music lovers, right? Are we music lovers? We are. Yes, that's right. I like the energy. The organizers would like to know if people from different states are represented here. All right. So I want to see your hands. I want to see you shout and scream if you are from the state which I'm going to mention. All right. Is there anyone from Assam? From the state of Assam? All right. Good crowd. What about Meghalaya? All right. Thank you. What about Nagaland? Anyone from Nagaland here? Wow, that's a good number. What about the Mizoram? Are there any Mizos in the crowd? Yes. What about Tripura? Anyone from Tripura? All right. Some people seems to be from all the states. That's good. What about Arunachal Pradesh? Any Arunachalis here? All right. What about Manipur? Anyone from Manipur here? Wow. All right. We're in the state of Manipur, so the number is not so surprising. We'll cut it down to the districts. All right. Anyone from Senapati here? Anyone from Senapati? All right. What about Churachandpur? Anyone from Churachandpur? Chandel? Tamenglong? All right. What about Imphal East? Imphal West? Kaching? Tobal? Bishnupur? Jiribam? Farzol? Noni? All right. Very much well represented. What about the people of Ukrul? Yes. This is the kind of energy the monument wants. The monuments wants to hype up the energy. Only then they'll be ready to perform. All right. We're all music lovers here. We're going to enjoy the night, right? Let's enjoy responsibly, right? Okay. All right. They'll be here with us shortly. Keep it up with us, okay? Thank you.
Something's wrong, satellite, heavy drops tonight, and the arms so wide. Dreams of war, dreams of liars, dreams of dragons fire, and the things that will bite. Sleep with one eye open, gripping your pillow tight. Exit light, eternite. Take my hand.
Check, check, check. Well, guys, we're gonna announce the result for Shirock 2022 band competition winner. So, requesting all the band competitors to please come in front of the stage. Requesting all the band members, the competitors of Shirock 2022 band competition, please come in front of the stage.
Calling the attention of all the band performed in the Shirock contest to kindly report in front of the stage where there's a box. In front of the stage, there's a box, you need to report there. All the artists and the band who are there for the competition are requested to kindly report as soon as possible. because we are trying to announce the result of the Shirock 2022.
Check. It looks like all the band competitors are ready, right? Are you guys ready for the result announcement of Shirock 2022 rock band competition? I think the winner is the bodybuilding yesterday's show. Shall we begin? You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Louder, louder, louder!
much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. I never opened myself this way. In love is ours, we live it our way. All these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. I never care for what they do. I never care for what they know. But I know, yeah. So close, no matter how far. I couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. I never care for what they do. I never care for what they know. But I know, yeah, that's right.
Check. Check.
I never opened myself.
We would like to request Chief Guest of the Day, Sri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, to kindly come forward to the stage and help with the felicitation to the winners of Shirock 2022 band competition. Sri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Government of Manipur. We'd also like to request Sri Ram Moiva, Honorable MLA of 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, to kindly come forward and take the stage and help us with the felicitation to the winners of Shirock 2022 band competition.
Because it hasn't come yet, we'll just start off. Give a round of applause for it.
Let's give it up. Let's give it up for the MLA of 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, Sri Ram Moiva. Thank you.
Should I start? Should I?
Okay. None SVD. Yeah, call him.
He wants to say something?
We would like to request Sri Kushim Bashum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry Department and Veterinary Department and Transport Department, Government of Manipur, to kindly come up to the stage and help us with the felicitation of the winners of Shirock 2022 band competition. Shri Kushim, Honorable Minister, you are kindly requested to come up to the stage and help us in felicitating the winners. Thank you.
Turn by turn, we'll take out. First. Hello, crew! We have the result of the Rock Band Competition 2022. Are you excited to know? Hello, bands in the front. How are you feeling? Feel your heart. What's it saying? Touch your heart. I have the result right here in front of me, and we shall start with the individual prize. Okay? Are you ready? Who's going to give away what then? Who's going to give away what? For the best vocal?
We would also like to request the presence of Shri Shirock, Honorable MLA of 43 Pungyar Assembly Constituency, to kindly come up to the stage and felicitate the...
Now the best vocal. We will start with the best vocal, which will be given away by Sir Ramuiva, the Ukhrul MLA. The best vocal, Shirock 2022, goes to the band Oral Paradox, and he is none other than Suraj Jinkaimayum. Please come up on stage to receive this award. The best vocal is from the band Oral Paradox, and he is Suraj Jinkaimayum. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause. Round of applause, everyone! That is Suraj Jinkaimayum from the band Oral Paradox.
Congratulations once again, Suraj. Now, let's get down to the best bassist of the Shirock 2022 band competition. Any guesses? All right, we have the best bassist, Jay Haukib of Echoes of Mercy. I would like to request Shri Kushim, Honorable Minister, to kindly hand over the certificate.
Congratulations, Jay Haukib, ladies and gentlemen, from the band Echoes of Mercy. Coming up next is the best guitarist, which will be given away by Sir Ramuiva once again. And the best guitarist for the Shirock 2022 goes to Donald Pavey from Variation 4!
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, make a bigger noise! Donald Pavey of Variation 4, the best guitarist of Shirock 2022 band competition.
Congratulations, Donald Pavey from Variation 4. Round of applause for Ronald Pavey, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations once again. Now let's get down to the best drummer of the competition. The best drummer goes to Regan Yumnam of Terra Progeny.
Terra Progeny, Regan Yumnam.
Congratulations, Regan.
Best drummer, Reagan Yumnam from the band Terra Progeny. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause once again. Coming up next is the best keyboardist. And the winner is from the band called The Prophets. Yay! And his name is Samuel. Samuel, the best keyboardist from the band The Prophets. Congratulations, Samuel. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations once again, Samuel. Well deserved. All right, let's get down to the last but not the least of the individual awards. We have the best stage act, and this will be given to a band. All right. So the best stage act of Shirock 2022 band competition goes to Symphonic Illusions. Congratulations, Symphonic Illusions.
Ladies and gentlemen, the best act on the stage by Symphonic Illusions. Now we are done with the individual prizes. Let's get down to business, people. Tonight we are here to listen or get the result of the band competition 2022. We are left with second runners-up, first runners-up, and the winner. We just have that now. Bands, how are you feeling? But before we announce this, can we all give a round of applause for all the bands participated in Shirock 2022?
All right, a total of 16 bands competed for this coveted Shirock 2022. All right, so we have the second runners-up here with me. They will be awarded with a cash prize of 2,50,000 rupees.
Are you ready?
The second runners-up of Shirock 2022 band competition goes to... They're from Manipur. 1 BHK.
Welcome on the stage, 1 BHK from
Congratulations.
Manipur. Congratulations.
I would like to request the Honorable Minister and our Honorable MLA to kindly hand over the certificate to the band.
Second runners-up, Shirock 2022. 1 BHK from Manipur. A round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen. They walk home with a cash award of 2.5 lakh. The next on the line Coming up is the first runner-up. Are you ready for the first runners-up, everybody? All right, hold on tight. Here comes the first runners-up, and they are from Meghalaya, and they are the Symphonic Illusion! They deserve it.
Congratulations, guys. This band, the first runners-up, will be awarded with a cash prize of 5 lakhs rupees.
The Symphonic Illusion from Meghalaya, first runners-up, walks away with a cash prize of 5 lakh rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, the Symphonic Illusion all the way from Meghalaya, winning the first runners-up on the Shirock 2022. A round of applause once again.
Yes, congratulations once again, Symphonic Illusion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you up for the winner? The winner of Shirock 2022 band competition. Are you ready? Yeah? The winner will be awarded with a cash prize of 10 lakhs rupees. All right. Any guesses, ladies and gentlemen? Any guesses? Bands? Yeah? You feeling nervous? All right, without further ado, we'll be announcing together the name of the band. All right, a tuk-tuk moment. Control your heartbeat. All right, we can feel it. We can feel the vibration. The winner of Shirock 2022 band competition is the Prophets
from Mizoram. There you go, congratulations! The Prophets from Mizoram winning the 2020 Shirock band competition. Kindly come on stage. They walk away with a cash reward of 10 lakh rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Shirock 2022 band competition is the Prophets from Mizoram. A round of applause once again for all the participated bands and also to the winner.
Congratulations once again, the Prophets. And thank you so much, Honorable Minister Sri Kushin Bashum and our Honorable MLA Sri Ram Muiva, for taking the trouble to come up to the stage and handing over the prizes. Thank you.
Happen here on the stage. So call Sir Sana Jalba, MP, and Sir Lacio on the stage.
Requesting all the bands, the 16 bands, to kindly come up to the stage for a group photo. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for all the 16 bands who gave us the entertainment we never felt before. All the 16 bands, kindly come up to the stage for a group photo.
Before we proceed to that, I would like to let you know that we have another program that is in front of us. So kindly requesting the bands to hold on for a while. We will get back.
You know.
I was told earlier, but I told them
Please call now. Please call.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have an important event. An important event. So for this event, I would like to request the Honorable Member of Parliament, Maharaja Sanachau Balai Sangtem, and also Sri Leishio Keishing, Honorable MLA of 43 Pungyar Assembly Constituency, to kindly come to the stage.
After this, the photography. After this, Lord, the
Monument.
photography.
I don't know. This calls Sir Leishio and Sir Sanachauba. Please come on the stage for the
This will take a very short time. This is an encouragement event for the promoters of Mithun Animal. Right after this, we will follow with the next program, which is the group photo and also the performance from the band we all have been waiting for. Kindly bear with us, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, kindly bear with us. And for this event, I would like to request Sri Ramuiva, Honorable MLA of 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, to help us with the program. All right. So sorry for the delay, guys. This is a very important initiative. This is an encouragement event for the promoters of Mithun Animal. So our Honorable MLA, Sri Ramuiva and Sri Leishio Keishing is here with us. This is a lottery. The winner of this lottery will be awarded with a huge male Mithun. All right. The winner will walk away with a Mithun, which is being exhibited at Shirui village. So this will take just a few minutes, a couple of minutes. My co-host here today, Ms. Chanting Shaiza, will pick the lot and we will announce the winner. And the winner will walk away with the Mithun. All the best to all the participants. Shake it, shake it. Shake the papers.
And And the winner I see here is Biswajit Singh from Manipur. So I think this goes to Sir. The serial number is 3232. Ticket number 32, Biswajit Singh, Manipur is what is
Congratulations. The Honorable Minister Biswajit Singh has won the lottery event and he will be awarded with the biggest mithun found in Manipur. Congratulations, sir. Right, we also have 2 consolation prizes to follow.
The consolation prize will get a cash award of 10,000 rupees each. And I see here Rang Peter, DC Kamchong is one of the consolation. Congratulations, DC Kamchong, Rang Peter. And another constellation here, which is again Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, with ticket number 24.
Congratulations, Honorable Minister.
That's
Thank you so much, Honorable MLA Sri Leshokeshing and Sri Ramoiva. All right, let's get the group photo real quick. All the band members kindly come forward and take the stage. We'll have the group photo real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for all the 16 bands. Come on, please come up one by one, please. Let's not take much time. Please come up. Some of you can start coming up from this side as well.
May I request the official photographers to kindly make it quick? Because the band is all set to rock the stage. May I request the official photographers to kindly finish it quick?
Let's make it, guys. Let's make it quick. Ukrul, give it up one more time for all the 16 bands. Thank you, thank you. You have all made Shirock 2022 band competition a great success. Thank you for the participation. Thank you, thank you. Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors, guys.
Congratulations to all the winning teams. Ukrul! This is the time we've all been waiting for, right? Because the monuments are just back, waiting to hit the floor and set the stage on fire. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Monuments all the way from the United Kingdom, waiting for us right behind. Let us welcome Monuments on the stage!
Make a bigger noise, the monuments!
Woo!
The stage is yours. Okay, let's keep cheering for the monuments. Come on, monuments, 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 monuments. Right, let's keep up the energy. Come on.
trust I seek and I find in you. Well, every day for us something new.
Right after the performance from the Monuments, the winner of the Shirock band will perform.
And nothing else matters. I don't care for what they say.
Welcome to the jungle. If you work through every day, gotta live like an animal. The jungle where we live and gonna hunger what you see. You'll take it eventually. If you got everything you want, but you better not do for me. In the jungle, welcome to the jungle. We can bring it to you. Knees, knees. I'm gonna watch you bleed. When you're high, you never, ever wanna go down. Suck down, suck down, suck down. You know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby. You're gonna die. Jungle, welcome to the jungle. Want to bring it to you. Knees, knees in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Feel my serpentine in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Want to bring it to you. Knees, knees in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Want to bring it to you. It's gonna bring you down.
Good luck, guys.
From Manipur! Let me hear you scream! How the hell are we doing tonight? Louder! Louder! We are monuments from the UK and the USA! Make some noise! Let's go! Come on! Go far! Kill everything you see! Empire! All the life I see before me! Born to make the world unfold. It's natural beauty. No remorse for those who fall. Misery flees till the irrational. Fears your compass. Self-inflicted cannibals. In my approach, you come infection. This resistance to listen. But an affliction. This is a crucifixion. Now run away. In the midst of the endless night, we are the dark. There's no escape. Natural rising from the sky. We are the You bring tremendous blood of void atoning for your sins. So I will take all that you have and all you've ever been. Within the throes of criminals, no one is innocent. Spilling the blood of those you love is pain sparing. Everybody move! Let's go! Let's go! The hypocritical nation of ignorance, sworn to eradicate all of existence. You before your faith, run by the hands of God. Just run away, there's no escape, we are the dawn. Just run away, there's no escape. Now run away. In the midst of an endless night, we are the dark. There's no escape. Yes, the light's fading from the sky. We are the dark. Manipur, let me see it! Born to make the world of old. Natural beauty. No remorse for those who fall. Misery. Born to raid the world of old. It's natural beauty. No remorse for those who fall. Born to raid the world of all. It's natural beauty. No remorse for those who fall in misery. Thank you! Let me see those horns in the air! How we doing tonight? Thank you so much. We are Monuments, all the way from the UK and the USA. It is so great to be back here in India. Thank you for the warm welcome. Make some noise, come on. Amazing. Shirock, are you ready for another? Make some noise. Louder! You have beautiful energy. Thank you so much. We are so honored to be here at Shirock Festival, celebrating the bloom of the Shirui lily. Thank you so much for having us. Give it up for our bass player, Swanee, who could not be here tonight. Unfortunately, he is very ill. You guys want some more? Do you want some more? Good, because we're gonna keep playing. Oh yeah! Let me hear you say hell yeah! Of escape. How we feeling? This one goes out to all of you. Let's go crazy. That's right. Ukrul, you are absolutely incredible. Our journey here was absolutely insane. But thanks to our amazing promoter, Manaj, we were able to get here in time to play for all of you. Please make some noise for Manaj. Make some noise for Gigbox Productions! Thank you. You guys like mosh pits? Don't mess around. I want to see all the energy you got tonight. This song is called Degenerate. Cool, make some noise if you're having a good time tonight! Left side, let me hear you! Right side, let's go! Everybody, off your feet! Let's do this! A piece of your life! Ukru, are you with us? Let me ask you again. Are you with us? Good. This next song is called Regenerate. Here's what I want to see from everybody in the audience. Get down nice and low, down on one knee, come on, let's go! No. All right. Make some noise! Nothing's ever been this clear. No one needs to feel alone in the changing sense of speed. You just need to stay with me for love is truly here. We just need to let it breathe. We're listening, we'll go Shirock, you are unbelievable. Louder! You are so beautiful. Thank you, Manipur. Thank you so much. Give it up for our winner, the Prophet. Let's hear it. That's my boy. Hey, you guys want some more? Do y'all want some more? I feel it. Everybody give me your energy. Put your hands in the air, just like Goku. Thank you for your spirit. This next one is called False Providence. Or is it? So, my friend John Brown here has 300 guitars, and sometimes he mixes them up. Can we get the lights on the crowd real quick? You are the most beautiful crowd I have ever seen in my entire life. This is an absolute dream. Thank you all so very much for having us. All right, let's do this. Woo! Everybody off your feet. 1, 2, 3, jump. Unbelievable, thank you. This next song is about traveling far and wide to play music. It's called Atlas.
Let's go! What up?
Tempting scatters of the open wind. You make me understand. Again and again we make the same mistakes. I can't ask you to think and change. The body's official, the guardians of the sky. We're sailing across the world, providing a place to stay. Whatever the cost, that takes us different as you walk away. For better or worse, I said, right along this way. Whatever the cost, that takes us distant as you walk. Alright, crew, here's what I want to see. Let's light this place up. Everybody get your flashlights out, your lighters, put it up in the air. Like this. Away. That's beautiful. We are drifting away. Keep it up. We're sailing away. We're sailing away. Amazing, thank you. We're sailing across the world, providing a place to stay. Whatever the cost, that gives us different. Dare to walk away. For better or worse, I said, right along this way. Whatever the cost, that takes us distant. Dare to walk. Ooh, cool, that's what I'm talking about. You make me so happy. Thank you so much. Give it up for yourselves for throwing the best festival I've ever been to in my entire life.
All these broken glories, is this what you need? United as brothers in a mission to succeed. Now we say the truth. Flames light the skies, despotically abused. Your love is murder.
Tattooed words on broken hands. Who shouts the loudest has forgotten how to speak their mind. Leave the night, run to gratitude words on broken hands. Who shouts the loudest has forgotten how to speak their mind. Writing words in their blood. Was I without some care? Tainted by your brutal eyes. Watch tears go, telling nothing living behind. Amazing, thank you. Thank you so much. You want to hear some more music? I said, do you want to hear some more? We're not done yet. Once again, we are Monuments, and it is an absolute honor to be here. I cannot express how truly grateful we are to be playing with you tonight. Let's get the lights on the crowd again. You are so wonderful. Thank you so much, Ukrul. This one is off of our new album. It's called In Stasis. Makeshift harmony. Let's go! Screaming with sin as she moves gracefully in, with something sinister behind her porcelain skin. The remedy in her eyes lights all the poison inside, and no one trying to protect. Already take me again, swinging back and forth so carelessly. Our love lasts forever. Come to find I'm dancing with you. Wow, hey, wow, hey. Consuming every step I take, the cycle rages down. Caught in your current, I mistake a vulture for a swan. You mirror every motion like a warning to change. But truthfully, I wanted someone to blame for every glance that falls in a shade, and every silence on a guarantee. I know I don't belong. The right to love, and love is born. Make some noise. Swaying back and forth so carelessly, I let it last forever. Come to put on dancing with your eyes. Serenading nature's harmony. Still take more chances with your eyes. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'd like to take this time to thank Manipur Tourism for treating us so well. And again, a huge shout out to Gigbox Productions for making this happen. Lathos. Watch the walls crumble down and time crawls along, echoing loud. Thank you. We are Monuments. We love you so much. Thank you for making this an unforgettable night for us.
Check, check, check. How you guys doing?
You guys want one more song or what? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Ukrul, this is one of the most crazy nights of our entire lives. I never imagined that I would be here in a million years. I am so grateful and so blessed to be a part of this festival, to be a part of this celebration. It means the absolute world to me.
My friends, this has been one of the hardest shows for us because we've just traveled so far to see you, but we love you all so much and we thank you all so much for coming out. You have no idea how much this means to us. This is the biggest crowd Monuments has ever played to in our lives. We will never forget you tonight. Thank you so much. Never forgetting you.
Shirock.
Let's go crowd surf.
Shirock. Monuments loves you so much. Keep it up.
Monuments, give it up, guys! Monuments! Monuments!
Well, I really wanted to jump in there with y'all, but I guess it's a security risk.
My friend Andy is just grabbing a breath of fresh air. We're going to play one more song for you. Who here has ever heard of Monuments before? We love you all so much. We're going to play one final song, and this song is from the album The Amanuensis. And it is called
I, the Creator. All right. Friends, family, listen up. This is your last chance to go absolutely crazy. All of the energy you have left, I want to see it right now. Get off your feet! Go! Jump! Jump! Yeah! Come on! Let's go! making this all I breathe. I'm sitting soulless in moments unforeseen, but I long to feel the breeze, bound by this disease. Scars to take the place of open channels with no street. I've got the answer to identity.
My life, all things in effect will surely grow. For now, souls is a mission given to the organized. When those are against us, we're moving.
Nice and loud. This is the end. For promises made that were never meant to hurt. Forget what I said, I just wanna let you up. For promises made that were never meant to hurt you. Forget what I said, I just wanna watch you jump. Get up. And this box I just came back. I wouldn't change a thing.
That place is separation. Your power is your own. You're the human spirit. Condemn yourself and shall survive. Ready to fight you. With no surrender, we are ready to all things in effect will surely grow. For now, souls is a mission given to the organized. And the finite side, when those are against us, we're moving.
One more time. This is the end. For promises made that were never meant to hurt. Forget what I said, I just wanna let you by. For promises made that were never meant to hurt you. Forget what I said, I just wanna watch you die.
We will form as one, ready to fight you. With no surrender, we are ready to rise. Shirock! Thank you so much!
We are monuments from the UK and the USA. Boys, gather round. Let's get a photo with all of you. All right.
Make some noise!
Monuments! 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 Keep it going, guys!
Keep it going! Louder!
We will never ever forget you. Thank you so much. We love you. Good night, everybody. Hey, Brown. Come here. Come here. Mikey. Now we out. Good night.
Right, check we have. So how's it going, crowd? You having a good time, crowd? Yes, we have the winner of Shirock 2022 band competition, the Prophet from Mizoram. Please come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Prophet. And
Shirock! Shirock!
guys, the night is too young. The Prophet from Mizoram, the winner of Shirock 2022 band competition winner, will be performing now just after the Monuments from England. Check. Hello. Here, I would like to request our judges, Mr. Laishram Momocha and Mr. Bishojit Thongram, please come on the stage to congratulate the winner of Shirock 2022 band competition. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for our judges, Mr. Momocha and Mr. Bishojit. Unfortunately, one of our judges, Mr. Narayan, had to leave today for a banquet to Bangalore, so he couldn't be here. So, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the Prophet! Mr. Momocha and Mr. Bishwajit. Please come on the stage and congratulate the band. Make some noise for the judges as well. Make some noise for the Prophet. Make some noise for yourself. Well, there is an important announcement coming from the police booth. There's a missing person named Amit Sukla, aged about 32 years. From UP, Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Amit Sukla from Uttar Pradesh. Engineer NSIDCL, who lives in Wino Bazar, Ukhrul for now. I would like to request our photographers to please ready in front of the stage. We would like to take a photograph with the judges and the winner, the Prophet from Mizoram.
আমি ঘরে জানবো this one for you
Yeah, a little bit. No need to be loud. A little bit.
Little bit.
Lower than the main vocals.
okay
Hello, 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 hello. I think it's good.
Tom 1. Tom 2. Tom 1. Full beat. Full beat. Full beat. Full beat.
check test hey. check test
check
Hello! Rock roll! Make some noise! You guys have been fucking amazing! We fucking love you! Okay. We're gonna have a good time, alright? We're gonna go. Let's do it! From that side! Yeah! Everyone do it that side! Everyone from the front to the back! Yeah! Let's give it up for the Monuments one more time, shall we? Those guys are fucking amazing!
How about I teach you a miso word? All right, miso word for pork. Vok sha. I say vok, you say sa. All right, vok, vok, vok. Yeah.
Hello, hello, hello. All right, guys, before we move on to the next act, the winner of Shirock 2022, can we have a big shout out for Monument? All right, for time being, I want to welcome the judges of Shirock 2022 to be introduced properly to all you guys. We have a big crowd tonight. Can you show some horns for yourself? Can we please welcome Momo Laishram? And can we have a big hand for Biswajit Throngbro? Well, to be precise, Shirock 2022 band competition was decided by 3 best panel of Imphal and 1 from Karnataka, Bangalore. He is not here today. He have just left in the morning because he has some business to do. Can we also have a big hand for Narayan Shruti of Inner Sanctum? We all know Momo Laishram, right? How many of you know Momo Laishram? Our brother, to be precise, our uncle. But still, we'll call him bro. He is still young in heart. Don't you see? All right, he is the first judge of Shirock 2022. And to have a brief introduction about him, he was the founder member and the drummer of the band, the pioneer of rock music in India, Cannibals. And he was also the ex-member and drummer of Soulmate Silong. And he is one of the most veteran and respected artists in Manipur, to be precise, and he passed out from Yamaha School of Music, Thailand, Bangkok, and won several Best Drummer title in many, many competitions since time immemorial, since we were born. Can we have a big hand again for Momo Laishram, everyone? Lovely Ukral! We love you this way! We're gonna see you in next year as well, right? You guys gonna come down again. And also in the meantime, before I introduce to you with another judge, can we have a big hand for all the Ukru localites who have supported this event? And also Manipur Tourism, Government of Manipur. Can we have a big hand? And can we also have a big hand for our respected MLA, Sir Ram Muiva? And also, last but not the least, the artist management team of the Shirock 2022. Can we have a big hand for Gigbox? Lovely. All right, guys. Respectively, and to be very soft in my way, I would like to introduce you to Biswajit Throngbro, the second judge of Shirock 2022. Give a big hand. He is the founding member of an alternative rock band called Recycle, and he was also an ex-member of Cannibals. And if you guys are not aware at all, this is one of my idols. I looked up to him as a vocalist myself. I used to sing as well. So this is the one who brought glory to Manipur as the best vocalist of Hornbill National Rock Contest 2007. And he also composed the song Incredible Manipur of Shanghai Festival. And also, last but not the least, he is also the composer, singer, and writer of the election song 2022. Power of 18. All right, guys, and also Narayan Shruti sir is not here tonight, but still, let me mention some of his achievement and some introduction. Narayan Shruti sir is the founding member of a metal band called Inner Sanctum based in Karnataka. He is the bassist of the band, and he have performed and opened for bands like Lamb of God, Metallica, and whatnot. A lot of bands, I don't have in the list. All right, guys, without further taking much time, can we have a big hand for the Prophets, Mizoram? And also, can we have for the judges, Momo Laishram and Biswajit Tongbram? And thank you so much, guys. This is the best Shirock ever that you guys have turned up this way. How you guys feeling tonight? Give it up for Prophets.
Alright, crew! Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to go crazy? Yeah!
Oh, yo. You know the funny thing is, Shirock's sign is the bull, right? I got it on my bag. Whoa, what a surprise! Yo! Give it up for Eric, everybody! If you could please give us just 2 minutes, all right? Technical difficulties. How do you say pork in your language? Hoksa, right? We call it hoksa. It's not the same thing, huh? We good? We're good? You ready to get this on? Yeah! Take your stand on. You feeling all right? I can't hear you. What about the people at the back? Say yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! What? Okay. Let's do it one more time, all right? I say she and you say what? I say she and you say she. Rock, she, rock, she, rock, she, rock, she, rock, she, rock, she, rock, yeah! music. Shirock, give it up for yourself. Make some noise for yourselves. It has been such an honor. We're so humble. Thank you for this opportunity. Long live Shirock. Shirock, 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 Shirock. Good night, everybody. Take care of yourselves. And before you leave, we just want to take a quick snap, all right? Raise your hands, everybody. Raise your hands.
Crew! Shout one more!
Hello. Do you want more? Are you sure? Oh yeah, sure! We want more! We want more! We want more! All right, all right. Well, we're gonna give it to you. All right. Take your stand. Let's rock. Good night. Take care. God bless you all.
Hello, crew! How is everyone doing? Do you have a great time? Once again, let's give it up for the winner of the Shirock 2022, the Prophets, all the way from Mizoram. Awesome, you all have been wonderful tonight. With this, we've come to an end of the show. I hope you all had a good time. Walk home safe, drive home safe. You all have been an awesome one. See you all next year. Shirock 2023. Everybody, good night.
Good night, everyone. Thank you all. You guys have been the greatest audience. See you all next year. See you in Shirock 2023. Good night, everyone. Check. Attention, please. We have a lost and found announcement to make. 2 wallets and 1 mobile phone. 2 wallets, 1 mobile phone. Whosoever lost these items may kindly come and collect it from the announcing booth. 2 wallets and 1 mobile phone. Please come and collect it from here. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Take care.